Topic: write a letter to a friend describing your visit to a hill station. Dear friend's name, I hope this letter finds you in the best of health and spirits. It has been a while since we last spoke, and I couldn't wait to share my recent experience with you. Last week, I visited a hill station, and it was one of the most refreshing trips of my life. We went to Hill Station Name, nestled amidst the serene mountains. The moment we reached, I was greeted by the cool, crisp air and the breathtaking views of lush green valleys. The journey itself was mesmerizing, with winding roads and occasional waterfalls cascading down the cliffs. The mornings were my favorite part of the day. I would wake up early to watch the sunrise. It was magical to see the first rays of sunlight illuminate the snow-capped peaks. We spent our days exploring the town, visiting scenic spots like mention any specific location, e.g., the famous lake or viewpoint. One day, we even went for a short trek through pine forests, and it was an adventure I'll always cherish. The evenings were equally delightful. The local market was bustling with activity, and I couldn't resist buying some handmade souvenirs and trying the local cuisine. Oh, and the hot tea at a roadside stall, with the chilly breeze brushing past us, was simply unforgettable. This trip reminded me of how important it is to take a break and connect with nature. I wish you were there with me. I'm sure you would have loved every bit of it. Let's plan a trip together soon. I'd love to revisit this beautiful place with you. Do write back and let me know what's new with you. I look forward to hearing from you. Take care and stay in touch. Warm regards, your name.